Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0326 indicates a malfunction in the knock sensor of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, which manages the engine's performance, detects that the signal intensity from the knock sensor is lower than a specified threshold. The knock sensor is a vital component that monitors engine knocking or pinging, which is a result of abnormal combustion in the engine. Its role is to send a signal to the PCM to adjust engine timing and improve performance while preventing engine damage from excessive knocking. The location of the knock sensor is typically found on the engine block or cylinder head, allowing it to effectively monitor vibrations caused by engine knocking. Addressing this DTC promptly is essential to ensuring optimal engine performance and longevity. An understanding of the knock sensor's functionality and its implications on engine performance is crucial for accurate diagnostics and repairs. The DTC P0326 signifies a knock sensor signal abnormality, where the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a lower signal intensity than expected. When this occurs, the PCM concludes that there's an issue with the knock sensor's performance and subsequently stores this diagnostic trouble code for reference. The knock sensor's primary role is to detect instances of engine knock, which can potentially lead to engine damage if not managed correctly. It does this by sensing vibrations in the engine and sending relevant data to the PCM. When the knock sensor signal drops below a certain threshold, the PCM may not be able to adjust ignition timing effectively, leading to reduced engine performance and efficiency. The fault may reside either within the knock sensor itself or in how it is installed, which is crucial to troubleshoot effectively. Several potential causes can trigger the DTC P0326. The first being a faulty knock sensor. If the sensor is malfunctioning, it may fail to send accurate readings to the PCM, resulting in an abnormal signal detection. Incorrect installation of the knock sensor is another major cause. If it's not seated properly on the engine, it can lead to incorrect data transmission. Furthermore, wiring issues may also contribute to this problem, including damaged wires, poor connections, or corrosion that disrupt the signal flow from the knock sensor to the PCM. Each of these causes can prevent the PCM from receiving accurate readings, making troubleshooting essential to identify the root cause effectively. Addressing these issues promptly helps maintain the Honda Civic's optimal performance and avoid further complications. A few noticeable symptoms typically accompany the DTC P0326, which include the check engine light illuminating on the dashboard. This warning indicates that the vehicle's onboard diagnostics have recognized an issue that requires attention. Additionally, drivers may notice engine knocking sounds emerging, which signal that abnormal combustion is taking place due to inaccurate timing adjustments from the PCM. These knocking noises can lead to further engine damage if not addressed. Reduced engine performance is another symptom that may surface. The vehicle may experience sluggish acceleration or reduced power, impacting the overall driving experience. Monitoring these symptoms and recognizing their relationship to DTC P0326 can aid in timely diagnostics and repairs, ensuring that the vehicle remains in peak operating condition. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0326 involves starting the engine. Once the engine is running, the technician should hold the engine speed at 3,000 revolutions per minute, RPM, without load. This means the vehicle should be in either the park or neutral gear if it has a continuously variable transmission, CVT, or in neutral for manual transmissions. This action is critical as it allows the PCM to determine if the knock sensor is functioning correctly in generating data at higher operational speeds. During this phase, the engine will remain at 3,000 RPM until the radiator fan engages, which indicates the system is reaching normal operating conditions. After the fan activates, the technician should allow the engine to idle in preparation for the next step in the troubleshooting process. After the initial step, the next troubleshooting action is to hold the engine speed at 2,000 RPM without load for at least 5 seconds. Similar to the previous step, the vehicle must remain in park or neutral for CVT and manual transmissions, respectively. Keeping the engine at this speed allows the PCM to again assess the knock sensor's responsiveness and signal integrity under varied operational conditions. It is crucial to maintain the specified engine speed for the complete 5 seconds to collect adequate data, allowing the PCM to determine if the knock sensor is functioning within normal parameters. If the knock sensor operates correctly, there should be no triggering of any error codes. However, if the DTC P0326 persists, further investigation into the sensor or its installation would be required. After determining the cause of the DTC P0326 and executing the necessary repairs, the final repair verification process must be carried out. Begin by clearing the diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle's onboard computer system to reset the PCM. This step is pivotal as it prepares the vehicle for a fresh diagnostics assessment without the previous fault codes lingering in the system. Following this, a test drive is essential to evaluate the vehicle's performance under real-world driving conditions. During the test drive, the technician should monitor the vehicle for any recurring symptoms or warning lights. If the check engine light remains off and no abnormal sounds or performance issues arise, it can be concluded that the repair has effectively resolved the issue. Confirming that the system operates as intended is crucial for customer satisfaction and vehicle reliability. To prevent future occurrences of the DTC P0326, regular preventive maintenance should be emphasized, particularly focusing on the knock sensor and its installation. Regular inspections of the knock sensor are vital to identify any potential wear or damage early. Ensuring that the sensor is correctly installed during initial fitting is equally important. Any misalignment can lead to false readings or malfunctions. Monitoring vehicle performance and being alert to any unusual sounds or check engine lights will help in addressing issues promptly. Additionally, keeping the vehicle's software updated can ensure that the PCM runs efficiently and can accurately diagnose various components, including the knock sensor. Proper preventive measures help maintain optimal vehicle performance and longevity. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0326 effectively involves understanding its implications for vehicle performance and adhering to structured troubleshooting steps. Early identification of symptoms, such as engine knocking or the check engine light activation, plays a crucial role in preempting significant engine damage. Following the outlined troubleshooting procedures ensures accurate diagnosis and identification of root causes, such as faulty knock sensors or installation errors. Regular maintenance of the knock sensor, including routine inspections and correct installations, can avoid this DTC from recurring in the future. By implementing these measures, owners can sustain their Honda Civics at optimal performance levels. Ultimately, proactive diagnostics and repairs considerably enhance the reliability and longevity of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.